In this video, we'll see the access control setup. First, connect the machine's positive and EM lock positive to the power supply positive. Now, connect the machine's ground to the machine's lock COM. Also, connect the machine's ground to the power supply negative. Then, connect the EM lock ground to the machine's lock NC. To protect the power supply from voltage backflow, connect the diode cathode to the EM lock positive terminal. Connect the diode anode to the EM lock negative terminal. The diode must always be connected across the EM lock's positive and negative terminals. Now let's see how it works. When a user verifies their biometric on the machine, the door opens automatically and after a few seconds, it closes on its own. This setup covers only the basic access control wiring, without using a lock control power supply. Now we'll see how the same connection works when using a lock control power supply. A lock control power supply provides stable, low-voltage DC power to operate electromagnetic locks. First, connect machine's positive to lock control power supply positive. Next, connect machine's negative and machine's lock COM to lock control power supply negative. Connect machine's lock anode to the lock control power supply push terminal. Then, connect EM lock negative to lock control power supply COM. Connect EM lock positive to lock control power supply NC. In the same way, connect the diode across the EM lock terminals. Cathode to EM lock positive, anode to EM lock negative. Refer to the connection diagram to properly set up the door access control system using the lock control power supply. So now you know how to integrate a biometric device into a door access control system.